Good afternoon, children. Welcome to your moral science class. Today we are going to do chapter 3 Pa plus Pa. This chapter is about what we do today comes back to us in the form of our deeds of yesteryears. So always do good deeds to earn some boons for tomorrow. The story is of a boy named Boboa. Once upon a time, in far off Italy, there was a little boy named Boboa. He loved his grandfather very much. The little boy and his grandfather were great friends. They used to spend a lot of time together. Boboa loved to listen the stories that his grandfather told him. The bond between the two was very much stronger. Boboa was the only link which kept the old man attached to his life. When Boboa's grandmother died, his grandfather had come to live with his son, Boboa's father. Boboa's mother could not understand the loneliness of an old man. Sometimes she became very impatient with him and became angry and spoke harshly to the old man. As the time went on, the grandfather grew older. He became weak and his hand started shaking. One night, as he sat all alone in the kitchen, his hands trembled and the bowl of porridge dropped down. And the bowl broke into many pieces. Boboa's mother got infuriated. Boboa became upset, not because of the anger of his mother, but by seeing the fear of his grandfather. Boboa's mother shouted very harshly on his grandfather. She angrily suggested to give the old man a wooden bowl. As she went, the child went over to the fireplace where his mother had kept the pieces of the bowl. He picked up each and every piece of bowl very carefully and began to put them together. Soon the bowl seemed to look whole. Then he took a small piece of wood and began to cut it. After a while, his parents got curious to see that what he was doing. So they went to him and they asked Boboa that what are you doing, son? Boa answered very gently that he is making a wooden bowl for them to have when they grow old. Boboa's mother and father looked at each other. They felt too ashamed to meet Boboa's eyes. Then they both held the grandfather's hand and led him back to the table in the dining room. From then on, the grandfather never ate all alone in the kitchen again, and Boboa was happy again. His grandfather was loved and cared for. As Boboa watched his parents, he realized that they too were experiencing a new emotional happiness. Loving with kindness bring true and ever everlasting happiness. So, students, respect the elderly people as they might be weak or sick, but they giggle when they see a smile on your faces. Now, all of you watch the movie Bhagwan, a very beautiful movie on the interaction with the old people. So, this moral of the story is blessings come from respecting elders, and without blessings, fruits of fortune never bloom. Go get blessings. You should always respect your elders and seek their blessings. Thank you and have a nice day.